With the 71st pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the greatest franchise in the world, the New York Football Giants, select Darian Thompson. Ace, do you have something you want to say to the New York Giants fans here and at home?
Go Giants!
That's right, baby!
Darian Thompson, he's 6'2", 208-pound safety. Another safety like Byard from Middle Tennessee State that had 19 interceptions. I love his ball skills. Ball in the air, he wants it. He's got zone range. You watch him against Utah State, he missed 4 or 5 open field tackles that led to huge plays. So I'm a big believer that the safety has to tackle. Regardless of how good he is in zone or man, he's your last line of defense. So I love the ball skills, Charles, but I want to see him tackle.
Mike, that comparison you put up and with your bullets and your nuggets, I thought immediately Darian Smith coming out of Fresno State last year. It's almost the exact same comparison. The missed tackles, angles to the ball scare you as a defensive backs coach and a secondary guy, but you love that gambling spirit when he's playing underneath because he does target and go get the football.